Hello students, you are class 10th and today I shall teach you the next part of this lesson development economics. The video is part 2. Explanation of some of the terms used in this table. Infant mortality rate IMR indicates the number of children that dies before the age of 1 year as a proportion of 100 live children born in that particular year. Literacy rate measures the proportion of literacy population in the 7 and above age groups. Net attendance ratio is the total number of children of age group 14 or 15 years attending school as a percentage of the total number of children in the same age group. If per capita income were to be used as the measure of development, Maharashtra will be considered the most development and Bihar the least development state of the three. The percentage income at current price during 2016 to 17 has been estimated at 1,03,219, showing an increase of 9.7% as compared to the estimate for the year 2015-16. The sex ratio is 943 as indicates in 2001. Causes and literacy rate is 73%. The magnitude unemployment continue to be a cause of serious concern in the state. Maharashtra ranked high in the social indicators, but the number of dying within 1 year of birth was 24 out of 1,000 children born, while it was just 12 in Kerala. Maharashtra has the lowest incidence of poverty, 24.25% for rural areas and 9.1% for urban areas. Years 2016 and 17. Case studies of Maharashtra, Kerala and Bihar. Population is in the 0 to 5 age group. The total population in age group 0 to 6 was 3 crore 332 lakh 2047. Out of this, male were 1 crore 69,509.35 and females were 1 crore. Rural population in this group 0 to 6 was 17. Males were 80 and the males and 770 were females. Percentage of rural population in this age group 0 to 6 to total rural population was 10 and that of urban 9.88. Sex ratio females per thousand is Kerala 1084 females against 1000. Child sex ratio in respect of 0 to 6 age population in Kerala was 959. In rural areas it was 960. Wherever sex ratio 0 to 6 age population in urban areas was 958. You can see this ratio by the help of list given in your book. Literacy rate based on 2011 census, the total number of literates in Kerala was 28 lakh 23,427 and the total literacy rate was 93.1%. Case study of Maharashtra. As per 2011 census, Maharashtra recorded a total population 1 crore 12 lakh 37,433 as against 96 lakhs. This make out of this 58 were males and 54 were females. The percentage was 27.8. As regards sex composition in Maharashtra, the rate of growth was 15.8%, for male 16.2%, or female. A relatively higher female growth brought some improvement. Sex ratio increased from 922 to 925 during 2001 to 11. Population in 0 to 6 group, literacy rate, and the state as seen in India. Next to UP, Maharashtra with 11 crore population in the second largest state in India. A case study of Bihar. Growth rate of population for Bihar during the last decade 25.7%. The corresponding growth rate of population in rural and urban areas was 23.9%. Sex ratio, the overall sex ratio of Bihar, which was 919 in 2001, had fallen by 3 points to 916 in 2011. In rural areas, the decline had been 7 points, 926 to 919. Child population, out of the total child population of 18.58 million in the age group years, Bihar million were in rural areas, 16 million urban areas. Child sex ratio, number of literary rate, how to compare the development of different countries. This will be sent in the next video. You should watch all the video and try to understand the topic and study the lesson. Okay, thank you.